Hey guys, so you're very welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to prepare Kpakpo SHITO, which is the green pepper sauce, and this is mostly served with the original SHITO, which is the black pepper sauce, and you can eat this with anything that you want, whether banku and tilapia, yam chips and meat, pork, rice, anything. In fact, it matches with anything. So stay tuned as we move right into the video. So for the ingredients, I have some green Scotch bonnet pepper, green bell pepper, I have garlic, onions, and I'll also be adding some rosemary, anise seeds, and cloves. And this is a mixed spice with salt, and I'll add one sardine to it. Enum deka krenti. It is sardine beka home. So I'll go ahead and add all the vegetables into a blender. I'll be adding some spring onions to it, and I'll add the natural spice, which is the rosemary, anise seeds, and cloves. And I'll also add the mixed spice with salt, and I'll be blending with some vegetable oil because this will reduce the amount of time we would have to wait for all the moisture to evaporate from the sauce. I'll keep on frying this until the oil settles on the surface, and I'll be stirring this every 3 minutes. At this point, I'll add the sardine to it. And our sauce is ready. I'll be serving in these mini plastic cups. And I'll be storing the rest in an airtight container. This green pepper sauce is super delicious. You should try it at home. I'll be serving with some yam chips and fried meat, and I'm just sprinkling some suya spice on top.